Hi, this is Eric with VBAString.com, and with another video, what we're going to talk about the basic VBA user forms to enter data in your worksheet using a form. Basically, what we're doing here is clicking on this button, which is going to load a basic plain Jane or plain user form, and we're going to enter a color and let's say red and enter, and it's going to enter it into a cell and basically go down to the next cell, and then where we're going to enter another color and go down here and click enter, and it's going to enter blue, and then we're going to enter yellow, and bang, enter. It'll go down here again and enter it. So if you want to get the code for this coming out to VBAstring.com, I do want to show you the behind the scenes. Alternate F11 is the code, and the code is going to react to the click event of this form. This form is useful for like entering data on your screen. You may want to hide the data screen in the background and just have this form. You can figure out what you want to, how you want to customize or how you envision the project to be. But primarily, if you want to use this user form, it enters into this worksheet. If you want to go higher, then and you may want to do technical calculation in the back end and all this. If you want a desktop database solution, go with Access, and I have some tutorials on that at VBAHowTo.com. But this is showing you the basic Excel user form, and again, I said alternate F11, and where is that? Oh, it's right here. It's already have it up. So basically, what we're doing here is we're to add the user form. Click over here in the Explorer box, right click, insert, and then we have a user form. Okay, and I've already added a user form here. By default, it gets this name, user form. If you want to see the properties of it, change the name, click this button right here, which gives you the properties of it. And we're not going to go very much into that right now, but if you want to, you can explore yourself. Apparently mine is like showing up correctly because of this video. But here we're saying, okay, if we're showing the user form, and the user form is kind of the closest to Visual Basic 6. I'd like to say it's close to that. I mean, the whole concept, adding these controls and the enter, we're showing the form. It reminds me of Visual Basic 6 and the potential with that. Okay, adding these items. And basically, what I'm doing is skip down the rows here. VBA, I'm checking if the active cell is blank, and if I'm using the active cell command, which is telling me what the active cell is and what row it is. The property here is row, and I'm sticking the row into here, and I'm going here and entering the value in the text box into that row, and then I'm moving down a row. And if it's not blank, okay, I want to check if it's not blank, and if it's not blank, if I just say I start from the top, let's see, I'm going to close out of this. If I start at the top, it's not blank, the active cell, and so I want it to go down to the next available cell in this column. And here, if I'm just going ahead and like typing black, and then enter. So here it won't find, because that value of that cell is red, so it's not blank. So I have to go down and find out what the next available cell is. I'm using this select, and again, if you to make VBA with Excel a lot more understandable, go ahead and use the macro recorder. That's a little hint. Okay, and take the code from there and incorporate it into here. But basically, what it's doing is finding, it's going to the, you press an and or your down arrow, it's finding the last cell, and what the last cell is, it's going to be the row, it's going to be 4. And okay, then I'm adding a 1 to it. I'm going to the next blank one, which is that, and I'm putting the value black into that, and then going in incrementing my rows again. And so I'm always, again, if you didn't see that, let's see if I'm going back up here to the top. Bang, color. Defaulting this box to be the text color lilac, for lack of a better guess or choice. And then it's going ahead and entering lilac. So again, if you want the code for this, come on out to VBAString.com. If you have some specific questions, come on down to enter your comments down in the description of the comments below. And make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell notification to be notified of any video I release when I release it. Thanks. And also check out on the screen and click on for various other videos I may have released in the past couple days. Thanks. Bye.